Hello, my name is Reid, and today's lesson it's about the alphabet. Listen and repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. See you next time.